Alright guys, so today I'm going to have you look at unit prices and comparison shopping. These things sort of go hand in hand. So for example, if we are looking at a price tag right here, you might notice down here it talks about the unit price. So we're shopping for ice cream. We see that the total price is $5.49 for a 56-ounce container. What does the unit price of the item mean? So right here, what they're doing is the dollar amount divided by the ounces amount. And when we do that, we end up with 0.098, which is essentially 10 cents. And the reason that we might want to do that is this is talking about how much it is per ounce. We might want to do that because there might be another brand, or there could be a different ounce amount for a different price, and we maybe want to compare this one to that other one to see which one is the better buy. I mean, personally, I think 56 ounces of ice cream is probably always the better buy, but if you're trying to save money, that might not be the case. So, some vocabulary here. Our unit price is the price per item. And so the item that we're talking about might be the price per ounce, but the example that I gave in class yesterday could also be talking about the price per roll of toilet paper. You might buy a 4-pack, or you might also buy like a 24-pack. So I might find the price per roll to figure out which pack is the better buy. And we do this so that we can comparison shop. And when we are comparison shopping, we want everything in unit prices. So everything in unit price to compare what is the better buy. And when we talk about the better buy, that might be just simply the price is lower. But you might also want to consider if you're going to use all of that item before it goes bad, if it is something that is perishable, or, is it just too much of an item and you can't store it or something like that. Okay, so basically we only have one formula here, and it's our unit price formula. We just do the dollar amount over the quantity. Now again, your quantity may change depending on what you're looking at. So for instance, the ice cream, you're looking at ounces, but for toilet paper, you might be looking at the number of rolls. So it just depends. Okay, let's try a few examples together, and then you guys have a Google form escape room to try for homework. So you are school supply shopping, and see that there's a pack of 6 pencils for $2.70. How much does each pencil cost? So we're going to find the unit price. We're going to do $2.70 divided by 6. Sorry, grabbing my calculator. $2.70 divided by 6 gets me a unit price of 45 cents. So it's 45 cents per pencil. Okay. Here's where we get into some comparison shopping. So at Grocery Mart, tomatoes are $2.75 per pound, or you can buy a 5-pound box for $11. What is the unit price for the first tomato option? Well, that one is already $2.75 per pound. That is already kind of a unit price because we're dividing by 1. But when I look at the second one, we are going to do the $11 divided by our 5 pounds. So that's $2.20. So now I have the unit price of each, and I can sort of see that the $11 box, or the 5-pound box, is the better value. But again, these are tomatoes, so are you going to use 5 pounds of tomatoes before they go bad is another consideration that you might want to make. Okay, so just try a couple more. You typically buy all of your groceries at Grocery Mart. This week, your favorite cereal is on sale there, 4 boxes for $10. So $10 divided by 4. At the food market, where you don't typically shop, the same cereal is on sale for $2.25 a box. So again, that one's already a unit price. I just have to do the 10 divided by 4, which is $2.50. And so based on the price, which one is the better value, that's actually the one at food market. Okay, at the market you can buy 6 bags of apples for $25. So price over quantity. At the orchard you can get 8 bags for $35. So price over quantity. Which is the better deal? So 25 divided by 6 gets us $4.17 per bag. Or 35 divided by 8 gets us $4.38 per bag. So at the market is the better deal. And last but not least, the store close to your house, close to your school, has 8 bottles of juice for $19.99. The store close to your house has 6 for $15.75. So price over quantity. Which store has a higher unit price? So this one's actually asking the opposite, which is kind of silly. So we get $2.50 over here. And then $2.63 over here. So the 6 bottles has the higher price. So there you go. You're just dividing to get your unit price, comparing which one is higher or lower. Good luck, y'all.